and welcome back to Faith and Flour. If you're new here, my name is Robin, and in today's video I am doing some after dark cleaning to give you some extra cleaning motivation. My sister, niece, and nephew recently stayed with us for a week, and I needed to get a jump on our cleaning, and I've had such a busy day. The only time left was after dinner. So earlier in the day, I went around collecting all of the sheets and towels to get the laundry started so that I'd be ready to clean those spaces after dinner. We feel so blessed that we have plenty of space when we have family come from out of town. Because Kyle is away at college, our nephew was able to use his room. My niece wanted to use the media room, so we made up the couch for her, and then my sister had the guest bedroom to herself. We had the best time while they were here. Our days were super busy, and we really miss having them, having their company, and spending time with them. But now that it is time to get our home reset, it's really nice to have an evening like this to get everything done and get me back on track. Clean up those three areas, I really needed to clean up all of the dinner dishes and get the kitchen in order. Like I've talked to you guys about before, if the kitchen isn't in order, I just don't feel like I can be productive anywhere else in our home. And it's just really nice at the end of the day to make sure that everything is tidy so that when you come into the kitchen in the morning, you are not faced with any chores. Everything is clean and ready to go. And I'm all about resetting our home in the evening so that we can have a really great start to our day. Patrick had some catching up with work to do too after their visit, so while I was busy cleaning in the evening, he was doing things for work from here at home, and so we both had a very busy but very productive evening. I'm using the same e-cloth that I used to clean the countertops to also clean the stainless steel. And then I just follow it with the window polishing cloth to give it a really nice streak-free shine. And then the last thing I usually do in the kitchen is clean the sink. I will usually use some dish soap to clean the sink, and then every few days I really like to use the Mrs. Meyer's cream cleanser to give it an extra scrub. I also learned a new trick from my friend Noemi. She has two YouTube channels. One is called Cleaning with Scandish Home and the other is Simple Living with Scandish Home. But she taught me to use a brush to clean the corners of the sink. And if you have a sink like this, you'll know how hard it can be to get to those areas. And so this brush makes it easy to get it clean. A sponge can never get those areas without a lot of extra effort. So this has really made my life so much easier. So thank you, Noemi. And this brush comes from the Grove Collaborative. It is their bottle brush, and it has a head that is interchangeable. So they're starting to introduce some new pieces that can go on it. It has a wooden handle, and I actually bought it to get into a water bottle that is Peyton's that he takes every day, and so it does a great job helping me clean that too. But you guys know how much I love Grove Collaborative, and I always have a link in my description box below if you guys want to try them out. If you are a first-time buyer there, with a $20 purchase, you can receive a 5-piece free gift set. They're always really great Mrs. Meyer's products, and you can choose your own scent. Full size, wonderful things. So if you've never done that, you just cannot pass it up. And you also will get a 60-day, I believe, free VIP membership. And so that gives you free shipping. It's a total win-win. So check them out. So once the kitchen was back in order, I head upstairs with clean sheets to make up Kyle's room. And so I'm just going to be putting the sheets back on the bed, doing a little bit of dusting and vacuuming in here. He is going to be coming home in August, so he's going to be the next one to use this space, and I'll probably be cleaning it again before he comes home, but I just want to get it clean in between time. This bathroom is attached to Kyle's room, and so my nephew used this when he was here, and I'm going to basically just do a weekly cleaning like I would normally do, not really a deep cleaning, but enough to get it back in order. I'm using most of the same products that I use whenever I do my bathroom cleaning, and so if you guys have seen my previous videos, you're probably more than familiar with them. But if you have any questions about something that I'm using today and I don't talk about it, please feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below, and I will certainly answer them. is my cordless vacuum from Denki. I've only had it for a little while. It was gifted to me from the Denki company and I reviewed it in a previous video, but I am still loving it. This little vacuum is quite powerful. It has 2 settings and the battery life is pretty good. I think it lasts well over a half an hour, probably even more if you have it on the lower setting, but it does a great job. The small head makes it easy to get into tight spots, and I'm really enjoying this vacuum. So if you guys are in the market for a vacuum and you want an affordable cordless vacuum that I think works really great, I have it in my Amazon store, and the link for my Amazon store is in the description box below. Now for the guest bathroom, and then I'll be cleaning the guest room. I won't be cleaning the shower in the guest room today. I just find it easier to clean a shower while taking a shower, and so I'm going to take my shower in here in the morning and take care of that then. I'm also going to wait until the morning to mop the bathroom floors. I plan on doing a lot more cleaning in other areas of our house tomorrow, and so when I have the mop out, I'll hit those areas too. We're in the middle of summertime here in Austin, Texas, so as you can imagine, it's pretty hot. And so to help me out, I have the ceiling fan on to keep the air circulating while I clean. As you guys know, cleaning can be kind of a workout, but I can see that it's doing some funny effects to the light in here. It sort of makes it look like an old-fashioned film. But anyway, I thought I'd explain what's going on with that. And the fan really worked. It helped keep me nice and cool while I finished cleaning in here. Austin has some sort of radar when it comes to this duster. He wants to play with it so desperately. So whenever I get it out, he thinks it's playtime, and I know if I leave this laying around somewhere, he is going to chew it up. Actually, Austin has been really great with just sticking to his toys. And of course, when we first brought him home as a puppy, there were some chewing incidents here and there, and we're usually pretty careful to keep things that we are concerned about out of reach. And fortunately, he's never damaged any furniture or anything like that, but he is still learning. I caught him this morning with one of Patrick's sneakers, and he did not chew the shoe or do any damage to it, but he was having fun pulling the laces. And so when Patrick went to put his shoe on, it was so tight he couldn't even get his foot in. So it was just sort of a heads up, Austin is still learning what he should and should not be chewing on, and so anything important needs to be put out of reach. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It's absolutely free, and when you subscribe and activate the bell icon, you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. And when you subscribe, it really helps my channel to grow so that I can bring you more videos like this one. I also love getting to know you and interacting with you in the comment section. And you can be sure if you leave a comment that I will answer it. I love hearing from you guys, and I so appreciate all of the support that you've given me. Have a wonderful week, and I will see you in the next video.